Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a raccoon, so let's get started. To draw this cute raccoon, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it. Oops, I'll make this a little bit wider. Come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So we just want to give it enough space for the nose area, not too wide. There, now that I have my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes since they're big enough. So I'll put in two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you're ever drawing and it's really small, you don't need to make them Draw So Cute eyes. You just put like one highlight on the corner, the top corner. There. And same thing over here. It's just with these kind of eyes, I get to put some color in the eyes, which I really think pops up the drawing. Okay, so now that I have my eyes in, let's see here. Let's come in between the eyes, and about right here, we're going to draw this big round raccoon nose. So just let's curve right in between. I'm going to round it off, and then just connect it in the center and back up. So nice and round. And then I'm going to come right here, just draw oval for a highlight and shade everything else in. So you can see a little bit better. There. And now that I have that, let's go ahead and draw a big smile for this super cute raccoon. So right underneath the nose, I'm going to come up, slightly upwards a little bit more, and cap it off. I just love raccoons. They're just the cutest thing. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to have to frame the face. So let's see here. Let's say the top of our eye. Let's just come out, and I'll just give myself a point about right here. So just play around with it as you using a pencil. Say about right here. And I'm just going to draw this kind of dome shape right over. So it kind of goes in. Play around with it. You might need to go higher or lower when you're drawing. So say about right here. I'm just going to round it off and then start to bring it in. So I'm just thinking if I should just put some tougher fur up here. If that doesn't look good, I'll smooth it out. Okay, so then let's bring this down, back to my point. What do you think? Should I put that tougher fur? Okay, we'll see. So then as we come here, so this is the top of the eye at this point. As we come down, we're going to go wider. So let's go out. And so right about the bottom of the eye is where we're going to flare it out. And I'm just going to zigzag a little bit to make just two little zigzags right there. So same thing here. So go down, and as you come to the bottom of your eye, about right here, zigzag a little bit, and from there we're going to go ahead and connect right underneath the mouth, so not too wide. Change up the angle of my hand here, so about right here. Definitely turn your body if you need to get better position. So about right here is where we're going to go up and connect. There. So see this shape right here? It's just round and it just tapers off right to here. I don't know what I just said, but you know what I mean, hopefully. Okay, so from there, now it looks really weird, right? We need to make it look like a raccoon. So come in between the eyes once again. We're gonna come out right above this nose. So say about right here, as if we're drawing the bridge of our nose. I'm just gonna go out. So this is kind of like the mask area, and out, right there. And then I'm going to, let's see here, round this off and bring it right back to create the raccoon mask. Come close to the edge, come down to here where it points off, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So I played around a lot with different ways to create this mask around the eyes. And this was the last one I felt worked a little bit better, so hopefully you like it. There's just so many ways to do it. So same thing here. Raccoons are pretty tricky to draw. I drew one a long time ago and it was terrible. So hopefully you like this new one. Okay. There. So hopefully that's a little bit better. Get the idea. I'm just going to create this mask around the eyes. Then let's come above each eye and I'm just going to draw a soft curve. There. So it looks a little bit more like a raccoon now, right? But we have to put in the ears. So about right here, I'm going to go up. Just say about right here. Nice big ears, round off the tip and bring it down. And right in here, I'm going to thicken it up. And this side's going to be a little bit thinner. So let's draw the same thing on the other side. Just going to drag a point across. Drag this point across about right here. And let's go up. Right there and then down. Then once again, thicken it up right here and curve. Okay, so hopefully now we're sure this is a raccoon, right? Now to draw the cute little body, so let's come about right here, right underneath the eye. I'm going to center the body about here and here. And let's draw a curve that comes down. So we're going to draw the arms first, the front legs, right? So let's bring this down and here. And let's come back over here. We're going to work on this side first. So let's bring this down towards the center, but we're not going to pass the center. So let's bring this, we're going to go back and forth, and we're going to get thinner as we come down. So about right here, bring this down and then curve out a little bit. So nice and thin, and as we come down, just pop this out and connect. We're just going to add little curves right here. So same thing over here. Cute little hands that raccoons have. And nice and thin as we come down, and then just pop it out and connect. There. And then for whatever space you have in between, just go ahead about right here, just add a curve for a nice chubby raccoon. And so let's come right back here. We're going to make ours really chunky. We're going to bring it curve and bring it in about right here, and in this area is where I'm going to draw a little, kind of like this little oval for the back foot, and then you can add some curves as well, just tuck everything in. So same thing here. So bring it towards the back, so you can draw that little foot first if you like. Little oval and connect there. And let's see the tail, of course, so about right here. I'm going to bring it down and about right here. Let's bring this out, round off the tip and connect for this big fat fluffy tail. Get a little bit sharper. There, and then the stripes, of course, so one here, now another one here, so we're going to put one right in between. There. And one last thing we could add is maybe a little tuft of fur right here if you like, just to make it extra cute. And of course we're going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute raccoon. I really hope you love how it turned out, and I helped you draw this raccoon fun and easy. And if you did love it and I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.